Hey pre-K, Miss A here, and we are going to have another directed draw lesson today. Last time, let's see, what have we drawn so far? We have drawn a ladybug and a rabbit. Well, this time, just in honor of spring and the beautiful day today, we're going to draw a bee, a little bumblebee. So this will be a little bit different because we're going to use different shapes. Okay. Go ahead and get your paper and a pencil. Remember, you need thick paper, cardstock, or construction paper if you'd like to watercolor afterwards. Again, I'm using regular paper and a marker. Okay, get your paper and get your writing utensil. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to make a pretty good size oval. Not really a circle, but an oval. An oval is more of a stretch circle, if you will. And we're going to make it right in the center, in the middle of our paper. Okay, let's see if I can kind of get that started for you. Okay, just a big, large oval. Go. All right, next, let's go ahead and get our eyes. We're gonna make our eyes at the top. Again, let's do 2 circles side by side. Let's have them touching right at the very top. Okay, there you go, go. All right, how do we want him to look today? You know what, let's be silly. Let's have him look kind of in the middle. Let's be goofy. So I drew kind of 2 arches in the middle, so it looks like he's kind of cross-eyed. I have my marker. I'm gonna go ahead and color mine in. Remember, we color afterwards. So I'm just gonna kind of do that real quick. He's gonna be a cute little bumblebee. And I'm also gonna give him just two little, for his expression. All right, he's a happy bumblebee. How about we give him a nice little side smile? Just boop, cute. Now when we see bumblebees, we see stripes. And our bumblebees kind of have a yellow and black color to them. And we always talk about realistic colors. So I'm going to draw 2 straight lines across, and then I'm going to wait because I need to think about my spacing. So right under his smile, 1 line, and maybe a finger width apart or 2 finger widths apart, another line, and then I'm gonna stop right there. Go to work. Okay. Let's give another pretty big space. Let's do 3 fingers width right underneath this bottom line. And when I do the 3 fingers, then I'm gonna draw, let's see if I can get my angle right. Another line, and then just 1 finger, maybe 2, right here, just to kind of work on spacing. We need little wings for our ladybug, or silly Miss A, for our bumblebee. Right here on this side, right at the top of this line, actually right above the stripe, we're going to kind of make kind of like a heart, kind of sideways. So if I turn it sideways, maybe you can see. Just gonna kind of make 1 arch and another arch. Kind of looks like a heart, doesn't it? All right, good work. And of course we know if we have a wing on one side, we need to show symmetry and do a wing on the other side. So I'm gonna tilt it again above this line. I'm gonna make kind of like a big heart, but not all the way. Yep. Okay, right above, let's get his his antennas, just kind of like we did with the butterfly. I mean the ladybug. Right here at the top. My paper's kind of, let's see if I can do it. Draw one. And then over here, I'm going to draw another one. Sorry, my little clipboard's in the way. Now, are we done yet? What do you think's missing with our bumblebee? We're missing the stinger. So right at the bottom, we're gonna make a V. So at the very bottom of your oval, let's just make a V, but have him touch the body of the bee. This little stinger. Now to make him look like he's flying through the air, we're gonna kind of do little dots. It kind of gives the idea of motion. So I'm just gonna go dot, dot, dot. You can do a straight line if you'd like. Dot, dot, dot. See how I'm kind of curling it? Make a loop. Dot, dot. Easy breezy. Okay, pre-K, this is our bumblebee for the day. Now, let's think of realistic colors. We are going to, you can use blue for a background, or actually anything for a background. But our bumblebee today, we're going to have his body be yellow and his stripes. Right here, this is a stripe, this is a stripe, black. Okay, have fun.